Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you our 67 Olds Cutlass Convertible. This thing is a beautiful car. Numbers matching, 330, automatic tranny. Like I said, you can see the repaint on it. It's a great quality, got a great shine to it. There's couple little chips right there. All the front bumper looks good on it and everything, the bezels. This is a show quality car. You can see that reflection right there of my leg. I mean, that is excellent job on the paint. There's the rally wheels. Top's in good shape, just shows a little bit of cracking from using it, obviously, but looks good still. See, like there, a few small little things, but boy, not many. And the interior is pretty much about perfect. You can see the seats there, and odometer showing 97, 181. I have no idea if that's original. Got a bunch of keys. There's your stereo. There's your top switch, power top. We'll also give you there's your VIN number. We'll give you another video of all the stuff working and stuff. It's a little scratch been touched up. Also right there, one's been touched up. Like I said, a few minor things to it, just from people driving it and having fun with it. And with this car, I could believe it, as good as it looks. I mean, you can drive it to the show. It runs good, drives good, and then show it and drive it home. So have some fun with it. Go cruising on the weekends. And you get 4 people in them very comfortably. That's a nice thing about this size convertible. And this thing is something you can just buy and drive. So if you got any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.